Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Mommy E, your favorite grandma. Guys, this is an exciting day because I am making a reaction, my first time reaction to a Japanese boy band called SixTONES on their Imitation Rain. And this is the first take live video. Without further ado, come and join me. Let's check this out. One, two, three. Just chill.
いいですか？はい。はい。いいよ。よろしくお願いします。
Nice music. Wow.
I will be the sky and you will be the sun to shine.
Love the intro.
Dreams 壊れてゆくガラスの花のように Imitation rain 時には激しく心に降り注ぐ Shall we play this game 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて目を閉じて翼を広げてラララララララララ You will be loved 飛び立つのさ土砂降りの雨の中 We'll fly Imitation rain 時には
Love the harmony.
心に降り注ぐ Shall we play this game 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて Dancing in the rain Till love comes alive
This is lovely.
What's the meaning of life? What's the point of getting it right? Cause everything's fake. Everybody blames to keep the faith. Just say everything breaks. Price of fame, what's to blame? Cut my mind like a razor blade. Breaking down, I'm breaking down. Peace of mind is shutting down.
Rock.
Should I play this endless game?
Now, this one is nice.
夢を求めて Keep dancing in the rain
Wow.
Till love comes to life
a huge wow. That's a big, huge wow. From this J-pop band, SixTONES. I so love the music. Oh, I love the harmony. The harmony is outstanding. It's so amazing. I love the voice of Jessie. It touches your heart. It touches your soul. Oh, so gentle, so warm. I love the acoustic sound. I love the instruments. The blending of the instruments and the singing is so perfect. By the way, the members from the left are Yuri Tanaka, Yugo Kochi, Jessie, Taiga Kiyomoto, Hokuto Matsumura, and Shintaro Morimoto. I love the arrangement of the song, but I do not know if this is an original or this is just a cover. If you have any information about the song, please comment down below. The rap part is also marvelous. Overall, this performance is A1. For sure, this will sweep you off your feet. One thing is sure for this band is your future is so secure. Your future is so bright. Your popularity and your fame, I know, will not only be confined to Japan, it will also spread all over the world. Thank you very much, my friend, for watching. I hope you like my reaction. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And you may also consider being a member in my channel by clicking the join link button in the description box. See you later, my friend. God bless you. I love you.